Hey guys, welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so most of you probably know that I already made a Billy Bounce Dance tutorial here on my channel, which is based on the original dance. So if you want to learn a Billy Bounce dance move, go check out this video and then come back here for the Fortnite arms. Alright, now so once you can do the leg work, I'm gonna show you the arms. Yeah? Alright, so there are basically just 6 different things that they do with the arms in the Fortnite version. So, first thing is as simple as it gets. Basically you just don't do anything with your arms. Yeah? So just keep them here by the sides. Whoop. So the second one, swing them from side to side. So you want to do whoop, ha, whoop, ha, whoop. And they almost want to go opposite, so if your right leg is up, you want to swing your arms to your left. Yeah? So boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha. Alright, third one. Third one is the shoulder one. So you basically just take your hands up here, put your fingers on your shoulders, and you want to say switch up and down here. Yeah? Whoop, 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 whoop. Now, fourth one. Fourth one is just swinging them in circles from side to side. So let's say you're starting it to your right, you want to go down, to your left, up, around. Yeah, so you're doing a circle. And then you're ending it here to the left. And then you want to go back. You want to go down, up, around, to your right, left, right, and so on. Now when you do it with the legs, you want to do it to the opposite side that you're swinging. So let's say if you're kicking up your right, you want to say swing to your left. Yeah, so boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha. Alright, moving on to the fifth one. Now that one is just say, place on your stomach here. Now you want to cross, whoop, and then you want to bring them up to your shoulders. So, wa, ta, ta. Wa, ta, ta. And you can basically just do it when you do this, right? Wa, ta, ta. Alright, moving on to the last one, which is also simple. You just lean a bit forward, also looking down while your hands are going from side to side like this. Whoop, 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 whoop. And they actually do it while they do this. Yeah, when they run to the front. So, whoop, whoop, whoop. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the Fortnite Billy Bounce Dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.